The Attachment Lab in the Psychology Department at AUC conducted research, which is the first of its kind to be done in the Middle East, by the lead of Dr. Noor Zaki.
There are so many studies being done on attachment relationships, particularly between the mother and the child, but all the research is done in the US and in Europe. So part of what I'm trying to do in the Attachment Lab, which is the first of its kind in Egypt and the Arab world, is to have studies looking at attachment. There are several factors that can contribute to whether the child develops a secure or insecure attachment to the mom. Part of what we're doing in this study is looking at these different factors, including how the mom is parenting the child, her own attachment style, different things that happened even before the child was born, including whether the pregnancy was wanted or not, was planned or not, the mother's current stress level. So we're looking at different correlations that haven't been studied before. We want to give back to the community in that sense and help moms have a better understanding of how to create a secure relationship with their children. I would have liked to show you the overall process of how we do that in the lab, but there are two issues with that. First, of course, the confidentiality of the research participants, the mom and the kids. So in this video, we will not be showing any real footage of the participants. The kids will be older. Usually we have kids between the ages of 1 to 2 years old in our observation. Today is a very special day. We're celebrating the completion of data collection. So this study was funded by a research grant from AUC, and the purpose or the target was to have 60 participants, 60 mother-child dyads to be studied in the attachment lab. Today we're celebrating completing the data collection, which has been very challenging, but I'm very grateful that we were able to meet our target. So today we're celebrating that. It's a milestone for the lab. And together with the pilot study, we've done a pilot study before. We have a total of more than 80 mother-child dyads that have been studied in the lab overall.
The students that participated in this research have told us their impression about this experience.
I've learned so much from the experience. It's been life-changing on so many levels. Definitely academically, the knowledge that I'm gaining and the skills that I'm gaining from this experience have helped me so much in terms of applications and other classes and skills and data analysis and many other things. But also in my career, I've been able to get out a couple of publications, currently a couple under review and one that's been published. So this has really, really helped me in terms of my career in general.
Another great thing about our research is that it's the very first time to conduct it in Egypt and in the Middle East. So it makes me proud to be a part of this research team.
The American University in Cairo always supports its staff and students to achieve milestones that has never been achieved in the Middle East. Sarah Hwedi, AUCTV, Cairo.